Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to start page numbering from number 2, and I'll start page numbering without 1 and it will be start from number 2, 3, 4 this sequence, and select all the values. Now select header and footer and select add and click in this page number and date followed option and select header page number style and select first one and this is start page number. I'll select here number 2. Also you can select 3, 4 and 5. So now select OK and I'll select this center header text and select here insert and this page number now inserted and also link this font size. This is and this page is you can select all of these pages or associate pages. I'll select page number 2 or 5. Now select OK and this first page number not showing it and this page number 2 page. Now select OK and this first page number not showing here and it's page number 2 and step from number 2. See this 3 and this 4 and 5 and first page number not showing. Yeah, this is and finally select this file option save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and